Creation of Craig Cottage. Bought a piece of land which was behind an existing property in Price Marston. First of all, we had to tap into the drainage of the next door property and then work out how to get deliveries onto the site because it was quite tight. Got the drainage connection in, and then once that was done, we could backfill, give the neighbours their garden back, and then get on with the build. Started by building a small plant room to bring the services in, water and electric. Water from the main road, and three-phase electric supply came in from a nearby substation. This was the layout for the house. Took all the ground surface material away. Huge pile of lovely topsoil, which we saved for a later date. Started digging the foundations, really deep on one side because of the row of ash trees. Putting in a barrier there, which protects the foundation from tree roots. Then we started to build the subframes. There was a block and beam floor that went in nicely. All the services coming underneath there, and next is to slurry the block and beam to to seal all the gaps, and then we can start the main construction. Thermal insulated block on the inside with a cavity insulation, and then on the outside the external natural stone, which was from a quarry in Banbury. It's called Haunton Ironstone. Beautiful stone, but very expensive. Getting up to the first lift now. Scaffold goes in, and I'm getting it ready to go up again. Joists are in, and then we put the roof trusses on. Carpenters are there today, helping to get all these roof trusses braced and in position. Building the ladders for the gables and creating the dormers. The inside was a lovely huge space which we obviously have to stud out and create the rooms. We're ready to start putting the roof on, so the battens are going on, the felt underneath, get it all laid out ready for slate. These solar panels are embedded in the roof using a GSE system. So the solar panels go in first, and then we can tile around them so they're flush. Stud work uprights are gone in, underfloor heating, and then we can get the electric started. Three-phase supply comes in, three-phase to the EV charger outside, supercharger, and then all the plumbing and heating systems go in. Roof's finished there. Beautiful lead work by Craig from Cardiff. Stair design using Stairbox online. Get the stairs in. Got a lot of work to do outside at some point. All the insulation inside, in between the floors and in between the walls for soundproofing. Testing out the electrics. Testing the heating systems. Three-phase supplies. Decorating. Oof, my worst bit. Electrics coming together, starting all the basic installation now. Doors are going in, kitchen's starting to come together, heating's pretty much finished. Finishing touches now. Kitchen's coming together, bathrooms, first the tiling and then all the appliances to go in. Some lovely quirky features in this house, with it being a dormer bungalow. Some amazing shapes. Ready for the worktops soon. Utility room. Lots of lovely appliances went into this house. Real modern equipment. This is a kettle tap. Coffee station there on the right earlier. Lovely oak doors. That's the kettle tap system. It gives you hot water direct from the tap. Huge amount of coffee supplies for the coffee machine. Just some finishing features. Air source heat pump outside. The plant room we've recladded now with the natural stone, introducing the porchway, which we slated the roof of that. Kitchen's now finished. Beautiful quartz worktops. Outside lighting looked great at night. All the lighting in the entire house is controlled locally but also by Wi-Fi, so it can be completely manipulated using an app from anywhere in the world. As with the CCTV, the doorbell, the heating, everything is app controlled from anywhere in the world at any time you like. EV charger, solar panels, everything can be monitored and controlled. Landscaping now, getting the driveway finished. We used a self-binding gravel. Had some stone left over, decided to create a lovely arched gateway to the public footpath outside, which was a nice feature. And now we're building the garage. It's an oak framed garage, landscaping, finishing the turf in. And there's the base of the garage going in, the rear of the home. Some CGI images of what it could look like. Using the digger to lift the heavy beams for the oak garage, and then creating the frame, which we cladded with cedar, and then slated the roof, UPVC side door, and then it had a roller shutter door on the front. Father-in-law's E-Type was borrowed for the day, just for a nice photo shoot. Looks great at the house. And then we did some features like a bin store for the clients. And there you have it, Craig Cottage. What a beautiful project.